Hello and welcome to an Empower Servers tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually upload a modpack to your server. So if the modpack launcher isn't working, then you can use this tutorial to upload your modpack. And today I'm going to be giving you two examples, one of a modpack which does have a server pack and one of a modpack which does not have a server pack. So this covers all types of modpacks. So as you can see here, if we come into Valhasia's files, for example, and this should be similar for all modpacks, they have the main file for the current version and then the server file. You're going to want the server file. Now, if you come to your modpack and there is no server pack in the file section, then skip to the section of the video which says without server pack in the chapter section below. But I'll be focusing on the server pack server first. So download the server pack. You can put it anywhere on your computer. I'm just going to put it in downloads. Once you've got your server pack, you're going to want to open it. It usually comes in a zip format like this. So here are all the files we're going to need. So now I'm just going to drag and drop these files into a folder. So this can just be any folder on your computer. As you can see, I've just created a new one for myself here. So I'm just going to drag and drop the files in and then they're going to upload. And now we've got the files we need to upload to our server. But first, we actually need to run the server start.bat file. Most server packs will not come with the forge.jar and the minecraft.jar that you need to run the server pre-installed. This is just to save on space. So as you can see here, we have a forge installer.jar. We don't want this. So because I'm on Windows, I'm going to open the server start.bat. And as you can see, it's going to start downloading the Minecraft server.jar, it's already in the folder, and the forge.jar that we need. You need to wait for these downloads to complete. If you already have the Minecraft server.jar and the forge server.jar in your server pack folder, then there shouldn't be any other files you need to open. But most mod packs nowadays come with this feature and you need to run the server start.bat file, or it could be install.bat, it could be named anything, but just run it and then make sure you have all the files that you need to upload to your server. So as you can see here, it's just downloading all the files I need. And then Valhasia, because it's such a popular mod pack, also just opens a server, but we don't need it to do that. So we're just going to close that. Now we have all the files we need for the server. So I'm just going to delete some files here. We don't need the bat file and we don't need the sh file and we don't need the installer anymore and we don't need the installer log anymore. So these are the files you actually need. Make sure you have a Minecraft server.jar and a forge server.jar. This is a complete server pack. Now just upload these items to your server. To upload these items, we're going to use the SFTP. So come to empowerservers.com, log in, game control panel, pick your Minecraft server, and then head to system and SFTP details. Now you need to pick an SFTP client of your choice. You can use FileZilla, or if you're on Windows, you can use WinSCP, whatever you want. If you're unsure how to log in to your SFTP, we have a separate guide on that on our website and on our YouTube channel. And the password is the same password that you use to log in to control.empowerservers.com. So just click the login button and there we go, we have access to our SFTP. Now grab your modpack files and just select them all and drag and drop them into the SFTP and it'll start the upload. Depending on the size of the modpack, this can take half an hour to 20 minutes and also your internet speed. Usually SFTP runs quite slow because of the file encryption protocol. As you can see here, mine's running relatively slowly, but it's still only going to take 20 minutes. Once all the files have been uploaded, you're going to want to come to control.empowerservers.com and then come to your file manager. As you can see here, all my files have been successfully uploaded. So now we need to make sure the server runs the correct starting jar file, and this is the forge.jar. So click on the three dots here, press rename, and then you're just going to want to copy the name of the jar file that begins with forge. You don't want to run the Minecraft server jar file. So once you've copied the name of the forge jar file, head to configuration, startup parameters, and then just enter it in. As you can see here, I've already done that. So that should be your server jar file sorted. Now we can start up the server. It's going to ask you which Java version should it use. Just use the automatically detected version, as this version usually works. Then you just need to accept the EULA, and as you can see, the server has started up fine. So that's how to upload a mod pack manually that has a server pack included. Now we're going to be speaking about mods without a server pack, or the server pack file that you received did not have all these files included in it, as some files only come with CurseForge manifests. This can be quite annoying, but don't worry, there is still a way to upload the mod pack to your server. So in this video, I'm going to be using the example, the MMD Jam 2020, as this is just a mod pack that I know does not have a server pack. So you should install these mod packs on the CurseForge launcher, which I'm going to assume you all have if you're playing modded Minecraft. If not, it's a great tool and you should definitely download it. So I'm just going to find the mod pack that I need to install. And as you can see here, I found the MMD Jam mod pack and we're just downloading it now. So once it's been downloaded, we're just going to check what version of Minecraft it's for. So in this case, it's for 1.15.2. However, your mod pack could be for a different version of Minecraft. So come to your server on empowerservers.com, head to configuration, advanced, and then edition here, install different edition box. We're going to press Forge. Now we're going to choose the same version that the mod pack was made for, and that is listed here. So 1.15.2. So come to the version and we're going to find 1.15.2. It doesn't matter the specifics of the version, however, I recommend using the recommended version that Forge gives you. If you want to delete all your files on the server, press the format button and then press the install different edition button. You'll hear a small ding on your browser and that means that the Forge edition has been installed. So come to your file manager just to check that it has indeed been installed, and it has. And now we want to generate the files the server needs. So I'm just going to start up the server. When it asks you for your Java version, just input the recommended version, which is always option 1, and then make sure you agree to the EULA. Now, once you see that the server's marked as on, just check all the files have been generated, and they have. So come back to CurseForge and the mod pack that you just installed. Press on the 3 dots and then press open folder. Then click on mods. And these are all the mods that make up the mod pack that you are playing. So you're just going to want to upload all these mods to your server. So to do that, we're going to use the SFTP. So come to System, SFTP details, and you want to log into your SFTP. In this example, I'm going to be using WinSCP. And if you're unsure how to log into your SFTP, just check out our guide on our website or on the YouTube channel. As you can see here, we've been logged in and here's all the files that we just installed. So then I'm going to head to the mods folder. Now I'm going to go back to that folder full of mods that we just found on CurseForge, and here it is, and I'm just going to select them all and then drag and drop them over to the SFTP upload section. As there aren't many mods in this mod pack, it's going to be a relatively fast upload, and there you go, they've all been uploaded. Now, to make sure your server recognizes this mod change, head to System, Console, and restart your server. And as you can see here, the server successfully started up with all the mods that we need it to run with. So that's how to install a mod pack that doesn't have a server pack, and how to install a mod pack which does have a server pack. So that should cover all bases with mod packs, and this should tell you how to manually upload mod packs to your server if our mod pack launcher isn't working for you. Thank you very much for watching. If you require any more support, the fastest way to reach us will be via live chat, located in the bottom right corner of your screen at all times. Thank you for choosing Empower Servers.